Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you a guide on how to make a plane in Roblox Studio. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So creating a functional plane in Roblox Studio involves building a model and using scripting to enable movement and controls. Here's a basic guide on how to make a simple plane in Roblox Studio. So first of all, you need to open Roblox Studio. Launch the Roblox Studio and create a new base plate or open an existing place where you want to build the plane. Next, build the plane model. Use the studio's parts and insert tools to build the body of the plane. Start with a main body part to represent the fuselage. Then add wings, tail fins, and other necessary components. You can design the plane as simple or detailed as you like. Anchor and position the parts. Make sure all the parts of the plane are anchored and properly positioned to form the complete plane. Now you need to insert a seat. To control the plane, you will need a seat. Use the insert tool to add a seat part inside the cockpit area of the plane. Now, add controls. So script the seat to enable controls. Right-click the seat part, go to Insert Object, and select Script. In the script, write code to handle player input for movement. So for example, this is this example script, okay? But remember, this is for a basic or simple plane only, okay? Now, testing the plane. Save your work and click play to test the plane in the game. When you sit in the seat, you should be able to control the plane using the W, S, A, and D keys for basic movement. And lastly, this is an optional action. Advanced features. Depending on your game's requirements, you can add more advanced features like realistic flight, physics, GUI displays, animations, and sound effects. Remember, this is a basic example to get you started. You can customize and expand the plane's functionality based on your game's needs. Additionally, consider using model or folder objects to group the plane's part together for better organization and management. And that is how you make a plane on Roblox Studio. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!